Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so in krata bi aba betomenim breaking news a eba sisia and it say the president of the land Akufo-Addo Nana Addo Dankwa His Excellency what the directive bi aba war ban foreign trips by appointees over a year coronavirus. If you don't know this, coronavirus it is still going on. Just say and then I say Italy, a whole part over 16 million people. Then I think the northern side of Italy, over 16 million people. Obia lockdown, obia ni baby akwa, odemon kwa ena oshe. Uni just say obia ni kwa nse wobe pie kra. Over 16 million people. And then menewoka say yatekra say womo moving on akwa the whole of Italy. Not to say Italy crony ni na shut down. Football enko subium. Wo bia enko school, wo bia enko ejuma, wo bia ntin na fie because coronavirus no send ya atiesi Italy so a spread no enye easy. And so far, send ya coronavirus no so spread in various parts of the world no. Nkofo hu no say Italy fu ankasa na echeche. We share new countries are more reporting coronavirus now. Most of the new countries are reporting no more day by every Italy. Then me no say total shutdown Italy. Now eno enama aban Ghana issue directive say aban appointees no ya ban temporarily foreign trips. Now will be our in some way no the chief of staff IFN Akosia Frema Osei Opare. Na enkrata no edamenim sisi a me read atro na ya share nsem nimu. Or say as part of measures to prevent the outbreak of the coronavirus COVID-19 in Ghana, His Excellency the President of the Republic has directed that all foreign travels by public officials stroke officers should be temporarily suspended. Only critical travels will be considered. This directive, together with the other measures being put in place by the government, is intended to protect the general public from contracting the virus. And no any asema wade aba. Say coronavirus ye the information ba bonten say wo ye aban appointee a temporarily no ye suspended say wo betu kwa abrochi ye mpese obekwa kofa virus yaba. Now I have one way ebia meye a particular video on it. Sa coronavirus and Ghanaian celebrities no. I feel say Ghanaian celebrities no ebimo as a abrochi corner to no ayomo de to the extent say they are not even thinking of their health. And that me no can say Ghana for be celebrities especially musicians no afiansa wo mo ye to akese e wo Europe. Stone Boy or to say or abroche Kwame na MP Dako Vice Kim Promise sa there I can the list don't let omo wo afiansa wo mu ni na enya kukudura wo mu etu kwan a wo mu ekwa abroche meanwhile coronavirus etiesi abroche and the coronavirus ni ntino papi kojo say wontumi mba Ghana biom because currently no Italy and a coronavirus etisi Italy wo sisi ya block your mo yema some countries can yema flight in free for emba Ghana and that papi kojo etroye say coronavirus intino want to me emba Ghana but fiansa Ghanaian celebrities need be who say it's the time for them to go for a tour or some of these European countries are one more recorded sa coronavirus ya wie for this coronavirus it is very serious. And the breaking news are eba and it's a Burkina Faso in Crawford 3 when one recorded coronavirus no and they are the newest members to join. Washa so far your neighbors Togo, Wumunya, Burkina Faso, Enya. And these are countries are your new borders no and your porous. Literally you can just walk into Burkina Faso or more north no make trail. Or more north no. They can just walk into Burkina Faso. Like Burkina Faso. The border is that porous. even them omo record coronavirus 3 year Togo nso ye near you can just walk into Togo a flower border hono. Even these people are recorded here. It tells you say it is close to us than we even think. Now nkrofo kra can say direct TV aban e de abano. Womu susu say it was because and that Burkina Faso for a confirming a coronavirus no enu huntia and as I dey we aba. Enu na nkrofo can say it was because coronavirus ni enu na ema Akufo-Addo hu ne say hey aben early say dia e was say ye sha say appointees no ye cancel and ye ban it. But to be fair, this is not the first time president abane foreign trips from the appointees no. Mekai some time ago but the appointees nankasa no wo in this. But this one no yes also say the coronavirus no life threatening yare nti no omo be susu for omo be di ban ne so for their own sake. For their own sake. So far, at least, over 100,000 people have been confirmed. So coronavirus cases, no. So far, over 100,000 people worldwide. Over 100,000 people. Womunya coronavirus, no. We share Monday ya endra. Increase of 3,994. That is say, afiansa yare no kra team. But one thing about yare no, and say, scientists is here wo mu hwem. Say adan na yare no senia e wo say spread e wo Africa no and spread this and no any idea and the scientists wo mu ehwe. Because the omoka mene wo yenim say coronavirus etisi Africa there just say we don't have the just say Africa there etisi her we are soon dead. But senior now scientists no expect say coronavirus no be spread wo share European countries na senior spread no senior now wo mo expect say e be spread this and spread to Africa sir. So they are now researching into it ehun say ebia Africa weather no eka ho. Because the nkrofo can see and say common flu crano say ewia ewom sa no and say heat ewo environment ni mo na flu ensheda emba. And because coronavirus also has flu-like symptoms ninti no nkrofo susu say enokra ama America for President Donald Trump in sema wo de babon te mekan no osi wo no de wo susu say sama ne ba coronavirus no ebekofum. Until Govusu said because Africa heat ewa hanenti virus no into me entenaha. Because so far, to be fair, one more Africa ya recorded sa Togo ni Nigeria ne sa Angrofuni ni ya recorded coronavirus cases no. One more ya recorded ni nana akoye say encrophobia wo mufi abrochi eba na tese wo mo de bae. But say wo bia wo Africa what Africa nkasa ya recorded ebia wote Nigeria hwa na ya record say wenya eno de enhye ba bonten eno tra ka na scientists research say why is it that coronavirus in Africa no it is not spreading like the way they expected it. Be who say be more kasa about it. Say oh you want Africans to die, you want but you see me feel say that whole thing no ebeboa na ya pay yare no anu edro. But so far Ghana doctor be a friend of Professor Dr. Ato Duncan. Waba bonten say coronavirus no wenya no edro amenda amene wo kasai. Wama ya testing me ewo two Chinese doctors be ema na edro no ye be fa bi ko China ema ya test ewo China for mienu awo munya sa coronavirus na ye se na ka enche wo mu bewu no ya test wo mo so ama wo mo ho ato mo. Ama China for can say formula na what the yes edro no one fa more mo but onu nso hu ne say what the formula ne more a China for the ya but on say also did ho. That is the other side from a Ghanaian, Professor Dr. Ato Duncan. No any idea a war. Montreal one thing comment box. That is the breaking news coming from the president. But because we are talking about coronavirus, my boy in sending in a bed and a media account, I made a bremo. Montreal one your comment box.